There are hidden settings turned on by default on Facebook and YouTube that can limit your ability to watch adult video based on your account information. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable them so that you can start watching adult content both on Facebook and YouTube. To do that, firstly open up your Facebook app and tap on the three-dot menu. Select settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now tap on content preference and select sensitive content. By default, this settings is turned on, which can limit your ability to watch adult content. In order to be able to view or watch adult content on Facebook, you have to put it on default. You may see this content. Once you done that, tap on save. Give it a few seconds and tap OK. After that, leave the Facebook app, open up your YouTube app, and tap on your profile picture. Next, tap on the setting icon and tap on general. Scroll down to restricted mode. By default, this settings is turned on, which can limit your ability to watch adult content on YouTube, whether in your search result or in your recommendation feed. In order to be able to watch adult content, you need to turn it off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye for now.